That is Mr. Handsome Sheffield. Very handsome as always and very stubborn as always. Sheffield! Sheffield! You go with Sheffield to Wildberries. For those who do not know, that is, I think, the most popular online shop in Russia. Здрасте. Как у вас тут просторно теперь. Все, Полин, спасибо, мы ушли. До свидания. Today, guys, unboxing will be on the windowsill. You can see my Christmas fir tree, though today is the beginning of March, but I still have it. I decided to leave it here for some time, maybe for the whole year up to next Christmas. I like the colors. The bright yellow colors make me cheerful when we have such great days outside. Everything is melting, so very sad picture, and it is easy to fall into depression, so that is like therapy. Here I have my teddy bear. He was sitting in this cave. How to show him to you? So, and that cave, that is the basket, I made it when I was at school. So, handmade basket, very old, very unpresentable. But the basket is used to close that battery. This light works from power bank, so I use it to close the view. So guys, today we will open this box. I ordered this shelf on Wildberries. I have already opened it in the shop, so I know the size, and the size, guys, is rather small, I have to say. Here, guys, such three not very big containers, plastic containers, so I thought they would be bigger, but well, maybe that is better. Such metal tubes to put here, 4 hooks, plastic hooks, and such wheels. The wheels are very easy to install. Just take one wheel and put it here. That's it. I even do not ask Alex to help me. Usually that is Alex who is responsible for all these parts. So guys, the bottom is ready. The wheels turn 360 degrees. That is good. Now we'll install the metal parts. The second shelf is installed. So guys, that is the ready result. It was easy to put all the parts together, but I have to say the tubes are rather difficult to put into these plastic parts, because that is a cheap Chinese cut. In reality, guys, it looks smaller than in the picture, but I think the size is good to put this cut under the table and to put some, I don't know, some buttons, some lace, so not very heavy things. The price about 10 American dollars. So, but honestly, if I had a chance to buy IKEA cat, I would better do that. But well, this one is also not bad. The center of our town, Prospect Mira Street, and here there is a small shop where I go to buy fabric, lace, so everything for my hobby. Today I will take you with me. We will go and have a look what they sell today. There is a small shop. I think you call it a tent, so it's really very tiny. The variety of fabric is not big. They usually sell some cotton, batiste, that is very thin cotton fabric, and some not very expensive fabric. The snow is melting, +10 at the moment. The spring is here. Next week they promise +18 during the daytime, and all the snow will be gone. That is, guys, one of the busiest crossing roads in our town. Sovetskaya Street and Prospect Mira Street. So now we will cross the street with you, and we are almost at the place of our destination. Near the main road, usually a lot of small shops. This one, grocery. They sell vegetables and different kinds of fruit. And we go with you to that small shop with the name Tkani. Tkani means fabric. They sell strawberry. One box about $2.50. Looks yummy. Very big strawberry, even huge, about 5 centimeters.